Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about exercise 6.3. Under that first question given is state which pairs of triangles in the given figures are similar. You have to tell which of the pairs of triangles given are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question. What criteria you have used, whether you have used AAA criteria or whether you have used SSS criteria or SAS criteria. As we have discussed previously, those theorems or those criteria, based on those criteria we have to say that why these two are similar to each other. And also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. If they are similar means you have to represent them in a symbolic manner here. So the first question here given is, this is one triangle and this is another triangle ABC as well as PQR is given. So let me consider for the first one in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So two triangles I have considered here. Since you have known that in these cases, if the angles of the triangles are equal means, then you can say by AAA criteria, these two triangles are similar to each other. So if you can see here, angle A is equals to angle P, angle P is equals to angle A. Why? Because both it is 60 degree. Okay, similarly, you can take angle B is equals to angle Q because both are 80 degree itself. Similarly, angle C is equals to angle R here, both are 40 degree here. So, three criteria is satisfied, and also I have told you if any two angles are equal means obviously the another one angle is also an equal, because you know sum of the angles of a triangle, angle sum property is equals to 180 degree. If two angles are equal, then in these two angles are equal means obviously the other angle will be 180 minus this one, what you will get it. Similarly, this one 180 minus this one, you will get the same answer. So if two angles are equal, then you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Why this one has? By AAA criteria. By AAA criteria, we have said that these two are similar to each other. Now let me consider the second case here. In the second one, they have given ABC as well as PQR here, and as well as they have given the sides here. So you know when you have to prove the sides means you know that their corresponding parts or corresponding sides should be equal. They are proportional to each other, not equal, they should be proportional to each other. So to prove this, so here what we have always, we used to take the corresponding sides itself, isn't it? AB by PQ or AC divided by PR, like this, BC divided by QR, like that we are going to take it. While solving this type of problem, think it in a mind that there is no condition that you have to take AB by PQ itself, BC by QR itself, AC divided by PR itself. So they have given the diagram, we don't know exactly which is the, if they are given in this manner, you know which is the corresponding parts here. If AB is there, PQ is the corresponding sides there. In this case, we can't able to recognize which are the corresponding sides here. So we can take the in manner itself. How means? So we know their corresponding sides should be proportional to each other. So now let me consider this. I'll consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR here. Okay. So now if you see this, 2 is there. So I can, if I divide 2 by 6, I'll get 1 by 3. 2 by 4, I'll get 1 by 2. So if I do 2 by 6 or if I do 3 by 5, 3 by 5 it's not possible itself. 3 by 5 itself remaining. 2.5 by 4 it's also not possible. So it is only one thing I can divide it here. So now let me go with another one chance here. 2 by 5, 3 by 6 I can do it. 3 by 6 if I do, I'll get 1 by 2. 2 by 5 if I do it, I'll not get anything. 3.5 by 4 I can't get. So if I think in this manner, 2 and 4 I can do it. And also 3 and 6 I can do it, and 2.5 and 5 I can do it. So what I can take here, I can take the proportional ratio has AB divided by QR. Since we don't know which are the, exactly we don't know which are the corresponding sides here. So we can take it in randomly. But the thing they are given is, we are thinking that these two are corresponding sides here. AB by QR, we can take it, that is equals to 2 divided by 4, that is 1 by 2, I am going to get it. Similarly, Next is BC divided by PR. Okay, BC is 2.5 divided by PR is 5 here. 2.5 ones are 2.5 twos are. I'm going to get 1 by 2 here. Similar to this, if I take for the next one, AC divided by another one is PQ. AC by PQ, if I do, AC means 3 by 6, so 1s are 2. So these three ratios, the correspond, if you take this corresponding sides, they are proportional to each other. So hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR here. Okay, that is how, by what rule? SSS criteria. You know, if they are similar means, that is by their corresponding sides are proportional means by SSS you can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. Now similar to this manner, let me take this one. The third one which is given LMPE. I think this triangle I can consider it as triangle LMP as well as triangle DEF. So if I take these two triangles, same thing. In what manner you can consider here? 2 and 4 I can consider, 3 and 6 I can consider, only that is the possibility here. 2.7 and 5. If I see this 2 and 6, if I 2 and 4 if I do, I'll get it 1 by 2. 3 and 6 if I do ratio, I'll get 1 by 2. But what about the 2.7 and 5? I won't get it. So you can write that also. And I can write this triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF, isn't it? Because those ratios are not same here. So similar to this, let me take the fourth question here. See here, for the fourth question, if you see here, so it is when angle is given, two sides are given. One angle is given, two sides are given. So that means you know the SAS criteria or SAS theorem what we have discussed. In that, one angle was given and their angle included sides are proportional to each other. Same thing here it's happening. The angle included sides are proportional. You have to prove this. If you prove that, then these two angles are, these two triangles are similar to each other. So now let me take the triangle MNL. So MNL and triangle PQR. If I take these two triangles, so this angle M is equals to angle Q here because both are 70 degree here. So, okay. Next, what about the corresponding sides? So, let me take the corresponding sides. MN as well as, which one shall we take? MN as well as PQ I'll take. So, MN, so this is 2.5 divided by PQ. So, same thing. That is equals to ML. So, ML divided by QR. If I take this two ratio, I'll get it as 2.5 by 5 is equals to 5 divided by 10. 2.5 means 1 by 2, 5 means 1 by 2. So what I am getting, so their angles are equal and then also their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. If that is the case, you can write it as triangle MNL is similar to triangle PQR. Why? Because that is by SAS criteria. By SAS criteria, we have proved that these two triangles are similar to each other. So only 4 questions I have solved. Still 2 questions are remaining based on the same concept. That I want you people to do it in a homework book. Same criteria. Either you have to use SSS criteria or AAA criteria or this SAS criteria. Then you can say that whether two triangles or two figures which I have given, whether they are similar or not. So similarly, let me go with the second question here. And the given figure, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So triangle ODC, this triangle is similar to triangle OBA. This triangle, these two triangles are similar to each other. So given angle BOC, this angle is 125 degree and as well as angle CDO, this angle is given 70 degree here. Find DOC. DOC means this angle you have to find out, and also DCO. DCO means this angle you have to find out, and also OAB. This angle you have to find out here. So to find out this, let me take the solution here. So if I see here, we have to use the previously what the concepts we have discussed in a 9th standard. That concepts let us do here. So if I see this one, this is 125 degrees. It is like a linear pair here. You know what is linear pair. if this is the case, the sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degree here. So the sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degree means one angle is DOC. Angle DOC plus this angle 125 angle is nothing but how much? BOC. Angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Why these two are equal? Because these are linear pair. This linear pair you have known in the 9th standard itself. So now let me substitute the values. DOC plus this BOC is 125 degree is equals to 180 degree here. So angle DOC will be equals to 180 minus 125. I am going to get it as 55 degree here. So now I am going to get this as 55 degree here. So which is the next one? DOC have find out. Next I have to find out DCO. So I am taking in triangle DOC. Okay, if I take this, so this one I am getting as 55 degree. This is 70 degrees there. So you know this is one triangle here. Two triangles are given means another one angle you can find out by angle sum property here. So what is that? Angle DOC plus angle CDO plus angle DCO is equals to 180 degree here. Why? Because this is by angle sum property here. By angle sum property you can say these two are equal to each other. So what is this DOC? This DOC, it is 55 degree plus CDO. CDO is nothing but it is, I am going to get 70 degree plus DCO is equals to 180 degree. So I am going to get DCO value as 180 degree. So 55 plus 70 means I am going to get 125 degree. So 180 minus 125 degree, I am going to get DCO value as 55 degree here. So what is this DCO? I am getting as 55 degree here. This is also I got 55 degree here. So now what is the remaining? I want to find out angle OAB here. So for this one condition is given. Since they have given triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Let me write since triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA here. That means these two triangles are similar to each other. If these two triangles are similar means you know their corresponding angles are also equal here. So this angle O is having 55 degree. Similarly, this will also be 55 degree because these two are vertically opposite angles. Isn't it? Similar to this manner, if angle D is equals to 70 degree, then angle B will also be 70 degree here, and as well as angle A corresponding to this one will also be 55 degree. So what will be the another one angle OAB? OAB will be equals to 55 degree here, and you can write AOB will be 55 degree itself because these two are vertically opposite angles, and as well as ABO, that angle, this angle will be 70 degree here because these two are similar means their corresponding angles are also equal. So hence they have asked me to find out angle DOC, angle DCO as well as angle OAB. So we have find all these three angles. So similar to that, let me consider the third question. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. So I have drawn a trapezium here ABCD, and as well as they have told that AB is parallel to DC in a trapezium. Intersect each other at a point O. Using the similarity criteria for true triangles, show that OA by OC is same as OB divided by OD here. So if I want to prove OA by OC is equals to OB by OD, then I have to take two triangles similar to each other. So what are the two triangles I can take? I can take AOB as one triangle and as well as COD as another one triangle here. So if I prove these two are congruent, then I can say that OA by OC is equals to OB by OD here. That is by proportionality theorem here. So now if OAB is equals to, that means if I want to prove this, you can see here, these two are parallel means I can write angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because they are alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4 here because alternate interior angles here. If these two are equal means you know that if any two angles are equal in a triangle means another one angle will also be obviously equal. Hence triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Why? Because of AAA criteria. If these two are similar to each other, then I can say their corresponding sides of this similar triangles are proportional to each other. You know by AAA criteria, if angles are equal, then corresponding sides are proportional to each other. So which are the corresponding sides of AOB? So AOB corresponding side is, I can take OA. So for this one it is OC is equals to OB divided by OD. So what is the condition I have to write here? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles.